Hi, Chef Shane here. I want to teach you how to make Thai curry. Before we start, I just want to run through our ingredients really fast here. We're going to start with some diced vegetables, carrots, zucchini, peppers, some sliced chicken, and some diced onions. Minced lemongrass, diced ginger, and sliced garlic. We also have some red curry paste. Additionally, we have salt, pepper, sugar, water, coconut milk, fish sauce, and oil. Here we go. I've got a hot wok. I'm going to put my oil in it. We're going to progress with the small, large, wet technique. And we're going to put our small stuff in right there in the middle. And immediately put our large stuff in. Notice I'm shimmying it around just slightly. The large stuff in this case are our vegetables right on top. This will allow the garlic and ginger and lemongrass to sizzle, but it won't, it'll steam them so that it doesn't burn. I've got some highly seasoned flour here. Put my chicken in it. This is not a traditional Thai method to put flour on your chicken, but I'm going to go with it. Still on the small, large, wet, fresh technique. This is one large ingredient. I'm laying the chicken next to the vegetables. I'll show you in a second here. That's all my chicken here. I'm going to take a quick look at the garlic underneath my large ingredients. No, it's still fine. So while that happens, I'm going to wash my hands off from this chicken. And I'm going to wash my hands a second time. Keep talking about the small, large, wet technique. We use that for every one of our sautés, and I can see that my small ingredients in the middle is starting to brown. So my large ingredients, in this case, are vegetables and chicken. I'm going to flip my chicken over. Now in Thai cuisine, you don't brown your chicken. It stays rather white, and that's often the case in Chinese cuisine also. So I'm not going to brown it like I normally would. All right, my garlic is brown underneath my vegetables, so here comes the wet. In this case, wet is a can of coconut milk. Half a cup of water. And fish sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. And now, that was small, large, and wet. So I'm going to add yet another wet ingredient. In this case, is sugar, which counts as a wet ingredient. And make sure I get sugar, not salt. I'm going to put in a tablespoon of sugar. Ba-bam. And then I'm going to put in a half a teaspoon of salt. Pa-bam. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Bam. Now, oh, you know, it looks like I forgot my onions. I'm just going to add them right in. Lastly, I'm going to add my kaffir lime leaves and chili paste. Notice I still haven't stirred it yet. This is my first stir. So I'm going to get right to the bottom of the pan. I'm going to stir it, and I'm going to cook this probably for upwards of 15 minutes. I'll see you in a minute or so here.